Using sunscreen every day is always an important part of your beauty regime. Sunscreen helps to save your skin from sun damage. But a drawback is that it leaves your skin looking ashy and white. Especially on dark skin, the white cast of sunscreen is easily visible and gives an unwanted look. Also, you don't get the proper makeup finish and photo-ready skin for social media. So what should you do to remove this unwanted white pasty layer of sunscreen? In today's video, we have suggested some tips for avoiding white cast from mineral sunscreen. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Use light makeup layer. Using heavy makeup can dilute your sunscreen by decreasing the protection layer, so it's better to use a lightweight foundation to minimize dilution and appearance of white cast. Don't rub sunscreen. If you rub sunscreen on your face, the face will be left with a white film on your surface. Instead of rubbing, pat the sunscreen on your face. It will allow your skin to absorb the sunscreen well. Wait for sunscreen to set. Before going out, wait at least 15 minutes after using sunscreen. It'll help the sunscreen to be set and leave no white cast on the face. Try chemical sunscreen. Physical sunscreens create a layer on your skin to fight against harmful sun rays, but a chemical sunscreen absorbs the sun rays. It works like a sponge and doesn't leave any white cast on the skin. With that, it can be a great substitute for physical sunscreen. Opt for tinted sunscreen. Sunscreens with little tint can give your face a brighter look and don't leave any pasty appearance on the face. Also, it'll leave your skin with a foundation look and you can skip the foundation from your regime. Or get a gel formula. As you may know, sunscreens also come in a gel formula. These clear formulas and gel textures go smooth and easy on the skin. Also, they don't leave any white glare on your skin and blend seamlessly on your face. With that, they work great on hairy body parts so you can use them all over. Sunscreen oil. Boosting your skin with moisture and sun protection can be a great option for those who have a hard time blending physical sunscreen. Sunscreen oils are a lightweight formula that makes the process easy. Also, you will love the hydration and luminous glow left on your skin. That's all with tips and tricks for avoiding white cast from sunscreen. Now let's take a look at our recommendations of 5 best no white cast sunscreen. The Juice Beauty SPF Sport Sunscreen offers broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection and is water-resistant for up to 80 minutes. This super creamy sunscreen contains coconut oil, jojoba oil, and aloe vera that keeps your skin silky smooth all day. With aloe leaf juice, rich in glycoproteins and soothing properties, this sunscreen can improve hydration and skin's natural moisture content. With that, jojoba oil and coconut oil in this sunscreen are high in essential fatty acids and antioxidant nutrients that help to promote beautiful, hydrated skin. Biossance Squalane plus Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 is another great sunscreen that provides invisible, broad-spectrum coverage. Also, this lightweight and deep hydrating clear sunscreen lotion blends in all skin tones without leaving any white trace. Being made with safe and effective ingredients like sugarcane squalane and water lily, this Biossance sunscreen provides deep and fast-absorbing moisture. Also, it calms and cools sun-stressed skin and leaves a soft, dewy finish. To prevent sunburn or protection against sun damage, Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Sunscreen Stick is a good option to have. It features effective broad-spectrum SPF 50+ sun care to protect your skin against skin aging UVA and skin-burning UVB rays. As being formulated with naturally sourced 100% mineral active ingredient zinc oxide and vitamin E, the sunscreen is ideal for sensitive skin. Also, this sheer stick glides on easily with a no-mess application that leaves no white residue and is water-resistant for up to 80 minutes. For dry, sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin, CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30 is a great option to opt for. This unique formula has no oil, fragrance, paraben, and it is non-comedogenic, which makes it suitable for having non-allergic, white cast-free skin. Broad-spectrum SPF 30 helps protect skin from UVA or UVB rays. Also, this ultralight moisturizer hydrates the face and leaves the skin with a matte finish. Lastly, CeraVe has 3 essential ceramides that restore the natural skin barrier of your skin. First on our list we have Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, which is an invisible, weightless, and scentless formula. Supergoop provides oil-free protection for all skin types, tones, and lifestyles. With this antioxidant-rich facial sunscreen, you can protect your skin from blue light, UVA, UVB, and IRA rays. Also, this gliding formula works as a primer too and provides shine control with a makeup gripping finish. So you can easily use it for everyday use or makeup regime. So that's all with our recommendations for sunscreen that leave no white cast on your skin. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.